Hey everyone, it's Mike. Today we're going to talk about what Filamet is. Filamet is just like PLA. It prints on common run-of-the-mill desktop FDM, FFF 3D printers. The difference being is that it has an extremely high metal content. What's unique about it is that the material after it's been printed can be taken off the printer and put into a furnace and be debound and sintered and turned into a pure metal part. Now, some of our users will use our materials such as tungsten or our high carbon iron for purposes that do not require debinding and sintering. Tungsten, for instance, can be used for radiation shielding. All right, so at this point, we'll go ahead and give you an example. What's in my right hand here is going to be a pure PLA engine block, and in my other hand is going to be a sintered stainless steel engine block. The pure PLA weighs 45 grams, stainless steel weighs 162 grams. The thing to keep in mind is that both of these were printed on the exact same Prusa printer. Another couple examples I have here is an extrusion motor bracket from our Prusa, which is pure copper, and then a simple bronze print that we made just for the purposes of this video. So to wrap things up, we're going to freeze this video at the end for a couple seconds so that you can see all the materials we've ever made. If you have an interest in any material that you can think of that you're interested in making, feel free to let us know, info@virtualfoundry.com, or just put a comment in there. Outside of that, feel free to like, comment, share, and let me know if I can help with anything. Thank you.